Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments on YouTube videos. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates like this. Now you have to go to your YouTube channel and go to the YouTube video that you wanted to pin your comment. So if you're a channel manager and if you like someone's comment and you want to pin this comment, so this video is for you. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to show, this is a practice video, so I'm going to show how it's work. This is my channel. Now I'm writing a comment like this is a nice video and all that. You can write any comment, or if you like someone's ask comment, you can also pin that comments. So this video is for you. Keep watching at the end, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now you can see on the screen I write the comments, and now I'm going to show you how you can pin this comment on your YouTube videos or anything else. So here you can see three dots. You have to click on that. After clicking on that, you can see on a screen there are four options appear: pin comment, share comment, delete video and all of that. So the main thing that you need is to pin. You have to press on pin. Now you can see get advanced feature. Take a 6-second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID, build history as you grow. Like this is the verification that you need. You have to do one of them to pin your comments, because this is verification. My channel is new, so I don't have any access to these of three because my channel is not verified now. So if your channel is verified, you just need to press on pin and your comment will be pinned. So if you don't, your channel is not verified, you have to do verification first. After doing verification, you can easily apply a pin on your comment. So this is the method how you can pin your comments. Hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for more updates, because this channel is an informative channel. You can get all the information from here. Thank you so much for watching the video.